I'm showing you now a series of exercises, feet exercises you can do everywhere at home, anywhere at home. And for me, the best place to do is when I'm at my desk working, and I can also at the same time work with my feet. Okay? So you simply, I know this is not easy for some of you, right? You simply lift your big toes and then your other toes. Okay? You can do big toes many times, followed by the other toes many times, or you can alternate them like that. And we have a video that we made that teaches you how to get more flexibility in the toes before you work them like this independently. Okay, so do a lot of them. And the next one is anchoring your big toes and spread the other ones. Open the toes, close. Open the toes, close. Open the toes, close. Open the toes, and close. And the next one is feet tap. You're just tapping your feet. So this is the third exercise in this series. Okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, you will feel tired in the front of the lower legs, and that's the point. We're strengthening these muscles here. And if you get tired very quickly, that could mean that you are pretty weak in that muscles, and the more you have to do this exercise or these exercises. Okay? And the fourth one, last one in the series, is what we call a feet smile. So you go in, you go out, you go in, you go out. Okay, some of you might need to do more in than out and vice versa. Okay, depending on the structure of your feet.